Hey everyone, it's LethalLogicX. So I've got a little bit more time today and I'd like to make another video. I've been wanting to revisit this challenge lock that was sent to me by Josh Butler. This is Sinister, made by Lebel. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you will know that I have picked this lock before, but upon reassembling it, I noticed some oddities. Namely, there was a zero lift pin in slot 5, as well as a standard driver in slot 2, which kind of told me that this lock might have been reassembled backwards. I watched a video, I think by Funky Monkey, and noticed that when he was picking the lock, this little X was on the front, whereas when I received it, it was on the back. Now, completely honest mistake, because I almost made the same mistake when reassembling it. Usually when there is a cutaway on one side of the core and the other side is flush, it is the cutaway side that is the front, to kind of house the little front on the core that sticks out. However, this lock is backwards, and the core actually works both ways. So I came to the conclusion that all of the drivers were reinstalled in the correct positions, but the core was actually put in backwards. Like I said, completely honest mistake, no hard feelings, because I almost made the exact same mistake when reassembling it myself. Anyway, I would like to give this lock another try, now that it is, I believe, reassembled properly. So we will get this in the vise here. And we will give this one another attempt. Now, I have not actually reattempted this lock since reassembling it properly. I wanted to wait until I could get my first actual attempt on camera. So yeah, this may very well just be an attempt, but hey, let's stay positive. I might get it open. I do already kind of know the bidding, so I suppose that is a help. I think that's binding on 3 there. Got a good click. I think that's 5 there, and sadly I already know that is a zero lift pin, so I'm going to try and just not touch it. I think I got a bit of a click there on the 6. Okay. Okay, touched 1, and we dropped into a false set here. Hopefully I can find all of the spools relatively quickly like I did last time, but I feel like now that that stepped T-pin is in the correct spot, it is going to give me a lot of troubles. No, I don't think that's counter rotation. Oh, that is. I think that's pin 4. Come on. Okay, there we go. Still in the false set. Okay, I think that's 5 there. I know not to touch that one. Definitely spoils a little bit of the fun when you know the bidding of a lock. I mean, it definitely doesn't paint the entire picture for you, but to know which pins are kind of high set and which ones are kind of low set, it definitely gives you a distinct advantage. This might be counter rotation on whatever pin this is. Okay, yep. And I lost my false set. Okay, I tried to drop that pin down. I don't think it worked. Yeah, this lock is way more confusing the second time around. I don't even know which pin it was that is going to give me my false set back. Do I still have oversets? I might. Oh, yep, I definitely still had oversets. And we are back in the false set again. Okay, that's some wild counter rotation. Still in the false set, that's good. Okay, I think number 6 is good. Number 5 is still down. This one's 4. I think he's set. I don't think I'm getting anything off of 3. Not sure about 2. Okay, I touched either 2 or 1 and got into a bit more of a false set, and we're in. Ah ha ha! It was not an attempt, it was a successful pick. Alright, so just for the sake of documentation, I'm going to gut this lock again. Hopefully we'll do it nice and fast. That means I have to deal with this end cap again. Please don't go flying across the room. Please don't go flying. Okay. Okay, we're good. Always sucks when those things go flying and hit you in the eye. Okay. The spring doesn't want to come out of there. Oh well. I'm sure he'll go flying out at the most inopportune moment. I'm pretty sure this lock is actually fine without the shim. So we'll grab the trusty pen cap. Yep, see, fine without a shim. Don't go taking that advice though. Always shim a lock when you don't know what you're up against. There's all of our key pins. And remember, this cutout side was the rear, the X side was the front. Nope, just drop something, oh well. So that would be the number 1 driver. Number 2 is now where that stepped T-pin is. See, that was above the 0 lift driver in 5 before, which didn't really make a whole lot of sense to shape a beautiful pin right where it would not engage with any pins at all. Or wouldn't engage with the shear line at all. Oh. There is the standard driver in 5. And another one of those lovely spools. Alright, so again, I will flash some images up here of these beautiful pins, rather than giving you a shaky close-up. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you everyone for all the support you've been giving me. It's been really nice. I guess I'll show off the key again while I'm here. Very interesting bitting. Lots of high cuts in the front, and then that 0 lift pin in 5. Come to think of it, I actually think this was custom filed. That looks like it's got some file marks on it. Anyway, yeah, that's all I have for you today. So if you liked what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and as always, have a good one.